This is chapter 1 where we cover 3 interesting applications of robots. So, here are 3 ways in which robots are already impacting our modern life. Think of how Amazon delivers all your goods to your house. Everything is collected in an Amazon warehouse and then packaged according to your order and then sent to you. Robots are extensively used in Amazon warehouses. We will look at how robots are used in the field of exploration. This is important because there are many areas where humans cannot reach because it's too dangerous for humans. But robots can be sent anywhere, and therefore robotics has been very valuable in the field of exploration. Lastly, we will look at robotics in the field of automation, that is, taking care of repeatable and easily programmable human jobs that can be best done by a machine rather than a human for various reasons. Let's consider warehouses that Amazon maintains. The link of this story has a very interesting insight into how Amazon uses robots. So, in the inset, you can see these yellow colored robots, and this is the history of this is that Amazon bought a company called Kiva that pioneered these industrial robots and then renamed it Amazon Robotics, and this was in 2012. And ever since, Amazon has extensively used these robots in its warehouses. What's the purpose of these robots? The main use of the robots is to move packages from one aisle to the other. Let's say you have placed an Amazon order, and just as an example, let's say you have ordered some speakers. So, all the speakers of a particular brand are stacked in a specific aisle of the warehouse. Now, the robot has to fetch this specific speaker for you and then bring it so that it can be packaged in a box catered to you. That's the job done by the robot. So, in technological terms, the main technologies over here are identifying the object because it's programmed where the specific object is located, and the robots use various technologies such as image scanning of QR codes to understand which object is located where, as well as path planning because the robots have to move the object from one aisle to another. We will discuss these technologies in much more detail in this course. So we try to reproduce what the Amazon robot does with our in-house Anki vector. Look at how the vector moves its cube from one location to the other. Take a look at this video. Now let's revise the previous video. You can reference the code in the Git link provided. The first thing that Vector had to do was to locate the object, which is the cube, relative to the current position, which it does with the help of the markers that it's able to see. Then it has to compute how to reach that position, and that's where path planning is in action. That one sequence command that is issued to pick up the object ensures that path planning completes, and vector is able to lift the object and move it to the destination. We'll look into detail in each of these concepts in the following chapters.